Hello everyone, you're most welcome to New Automation Technology peer comparing. Today in this video we shall be discussing about some of the most important thing. It is just very simple and it is just a minor, but I repeat, but you have to know it. That is what is called the traces or the cache. Cache always keep gathering into your computer each and every time when you're using any kind of the program. Once your computer is running, once you are running any program, you're using any kind of the program, the cache will be storing onto your computer. Why is it the cache can be storing into your computer? Because this cache as the temporary file normally just keep storing, because each and every time when you're running in the program, like maybe you have stopped the program, like maybe you're using Microsoft Office Word, then this time around you have stopped, you are doing other things. So for you to begin, for you to begin from where you have stopped, the cache will help you begin from where you have stopped the other time, which means it's going to maintain the level of your work. So this cache, like in most cases, when you're finished using your computer, like maybe for example like today, then in the evening hours, you have to clear this cache, because if you don't do that one, you might even realize that the file has overstored itself, like it's too much. How can you do that? Because each and every time the cache will fill most of the space of your C drive, and before you know, your computer will start malfunctioning, the computer starts slowing down. And also, I want to give you this precaution, that is, never store a work onto the desktop, something maybe like a gigabyte. If you put much work on the desktop, like maybe video file, a lot of document on desktop, your computer will completely slow down, because a computer has only one breathing point, and that is a desktop. So for you to make your computer function very well, you have to make sure that your computer is not having a lot of files, media files stored onto the desktop. And also go ahead and check the downloads and the document section to your computer. Make sure you don't have a lot of document there. The reason as to why we partition the hard disk is just to keep the file, so that the C drive is not overloaded with file. A C drive is supposed to only have application program running to your computer. It's supposed, like a desktop is supposed to store only the icons. Well, you can put other files there, but it should not be something too much. Be like maybe for files, because you might be having the frequently used file, like maybe in your office, and you might wish maybe to put it right there. So if you can do all these two things, by compressing the amounts of the gigabyte of the media file you store on the desktop, and also clearing the traces, your computer will get to work perfectly. Your computer will always work very well. I am going to show you step by step how you can do all of this one, how you can fix this problem in case you have. Yes. But before we get started, please always don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share the video, so that you can support us. Thank you. I'm going to jump to my computer right now. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to drop in the comment section. We would like to know from you. Thank you. I'm going to see you right there. Yeah. Alright, you're most welcome. Right now, if you want to clear the cache, it's very simple. We are going to use the keyboard shortcut, and you are going to do it simultaneously. You are going to hold the window button plus arrow onto your keyboard. I am going to do it right now. Then, if you are done with that, you are going to see that you have what we call the modulars here. This is the module that you have to enter. The modules, that is the 100%, $100 $, Then you enter the term. As this one just a prompt. Here is the command that you can enter. Then after entering this command, just come and say, okay, boom, like that. So it will take you right away into temporary files. All these are the cache. As you can see, all these are the cache. As you can see, this one was the cache for this Microsoft I was using it. All these are for the program file that I'm writing yesterday. Yes, just because for me I keep moving mine each and every day. Like if I use my computer from morning up to evening, I make sure I come and clean. Yes, it is very simple now to clean it for me. This one here, don't be scared. Delete everything that you see here. They are useless because those programs that we are not using them at this time. But others that might be running in the back end currently, you cannot delete. It will refuse to be deleted. So to do that, we are going to use the keyboard shortcut again, just like to be very to make it. Of course, you know the keyboard shortcut is very effective. I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A, select all, then right click. You can't even just go ahead and delete, strike on the delete key on the keyboard. Let me just say delete. Boom, that's it. This one here is the alert. That's mean that there's something done in the back end. So this one currently, then say try again. Wow, that refused. Then we say skip. It is finished. It is gone completely. There is another section that is still remaining. I'm going to move step by step, show you how you can clear that section also. To do that, I'm going to go to my C drive. If you don't know how to see the C drive, you are going to see something like this. The icon for window is going to be on that partition. No, normally it is labeled as the local disk C, but for me and professional, most people like call it the C drive. Yes, don't be confused because it's a hard disk. Hard disk is a drive, hard drive. So I'm going to just click over here. If you are here onto your program file like this, because this is the program file for the your Windows and the other program running to your computer. So right now I'm going to quickly just check the window. If you are there on the window, scroll down. There is the section which is called the prefetch. Go to the prefetch section. Yeah, I think it is up here. Prefetch. Yeah. What is wrong with my eyes? I'm not seeing very well. Yeah, it is here. This is the section I'm talking about. This is prefetch. Don't go ahead and delete somewhere else. Don't delete anything that you don't know. Just open the prefetch folder and continue to gain the access. Then all this one here, as you can see, the total number is something like 246 files. All these are the traces that you have to clean. It will look very crazy like this. It will look very crazy, but they are now useless. Yes, use the keyboard shortcut again, Ctrl+A. Then save, delete. Boom, like that. That is done. So you just said skip, but we are not yet fully done with everything. We are not yet fully done with everything. You need to go and clear all the deletion you have made from the recycle bin so that the C drive will gain some kind of the space. To do that, let me first get back my icons. Then we said show desktop icons. As you can see, I have my recycle bin here. Let's go and click onto it. Yeah, click over it. Just use the keyboard shortcut. But wait, let me tell you one thing. Don't be arrested into someone's office, or don't be arrested by your friend just because you have deleted the recycle bin. Don't delete the recycle bin if that is not your computer. If you are deleting anything from the recycle bin, make sure you are going to delete something that is you the one who deleted it. Some people they hide their work in the recycle bin. Some people they have a lot of reason of not. You don't have to delete someone's recycle bin. I repeat, don't delete someone's recycle bin, otherwise you'll be arrested. But for me, this is my computer. I'm going to clear everything because I'm the one who uses this one here. Use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A and delete it. That's it. Said okay. As you can see, the deletion is running right now. It's running. That's it. I wanted also to tell you, as you can see my icon right now here, my desktop, my desktop. My desktop has mostly only the icons. Maybe you don't know the meaning of icon. Icons is the extension of an application running onto your computer. Extension means if you double click onto that extension, you are going to execute. The extension is going to execute the program running onto your computer. It's going to turn that program and start using it right away. So as you can see, I recommend you to keep your desktop very clean like this, because the desktop is the breathing point of the computer. If you don't know how to can back up your work, it is very simple. If I thought maybe you wanted to maybe copy like this one here, by you removing this one here from here, say cut. I cut it. I go to my computer, and I'll just let me first. I click onto this PC. As you can see, I have this one here, local disk D. I back up my work right there. I'm going to put to desktop dock, then I paste it right there, because cut and paste is relocating the program. Yes, that is it. That is the way how you can clear your cache. That is the way how you can maintain your computer at the healthy state forever. That's it. Always don't forget to do the regular checking of the hard drive. It is very healthy. And if you can do that one, your hard disk will never crash down. It will never crash down. People hard disk could only crash down when you don't check. Sometimes you have received the alert, but you are not checking. Just because you are not checking, your hard disk may crash down. Yes, your hard disk can crash down. Also, me myself personally, I lost some of the document that I kept for something like 3 years, and I lost it just like in a second like that. And guess what? I've never recovered it up to now. But I've battled with that hard disk even right now. I still have it. I don't want you to go through the same situation that I went through. Thank you for sticking around with us.